Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, a quick fix, we're going to solve a problem I've put off for years. If you park in a garage and have a hatchback like a van or SUV, this fix might be for you. Having a large amount of sporting equipment or even just trips to the grocery store, we open our hatchback often, and resting it against the garage door has caused damage that should be avoided. Let's do it. So my solution is going to be these self-adhesive EVA foam garage wall protectors in lengths of 4 by 12 inches. As usual, links are in the description. Once you get the plastic off, you can see these pads are really flexible and soft. The adhesive on the back is sticky, and all you have to do is peel off the paper. This is going to be exactly what I was looking for. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean off your garage door where the adhesive is going to stick. I just used a towel with a little bit of water and soap on it. Just keep in mind, you don't want to knock the dust down into your coffee mug that you put on the bumper. After the door's clean, hold up your pads to get an idea of where you want to place them. The pack I bought came with 4. For my OCD friends out there, I started dead center in the door and worked my way out so everything would be centered. Make sure you line the pads up with the bottom of the door so that you don't smash them when the door is closed. I started peeling the paper back a few inches at a time and placing the pads to keep everything straight and tight. After getting 2 on, I tested it out to see how things were going. Everything looked good, so I finished the job and placed the remaining 2 pads. Now the moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Perfect. Another project completed. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects. And please like and subscribe for future projects.